Ni kedai ke Bati CTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kesni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka Kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Ka branch manager jong ka State Bank of India ka kong Monica Dekhar ha ka khatn riu tarik Urisau arajar arphau kala pellat pajba ya ka Kali Renault Quit balashna thammai da ka ne ka company ha ka jingelang ka balalong ha ka showroom jong ka Renault ka badan hamau blai Shillong ha ka jing pellat ya ka ne ka Kali ha ka ni ka sngi la sakhilang da ki nongtrei jong ka Renault showroom.
Today we are doing a launch of our Quid with a new dual tone color which we call as Neotech, Quid Neotech. So the upgrade which the company has done with the vehicle is regarding the few cosmetic changes. Just as you can see from outer side, the company has added dual tone color now, which comes first in the segment. In this segment, it is the only vehicle which is providing dual tone color. As you can see, the rooftop comes with separate color and the body comes with another color. So along with that, the another change which the company has done is the alloy rim design, steel rim, which is now also available in the second top model, which is Neotech. And apart from that, the other changes which the company has done is in the interior as well. So added touchscreen 7-inch, 8-inch touchscreen display in the inside of second top model as well, wherein you can also watch videos, plus it is also supported with Android and Apple CarPlay. Along with that, it is also coming with fully digital instrumental cluster and a new design color upgrade seat covers provided from the company. So those are the major few changes which the company has done, along with the safety features like ABS, EBD, sensor seat belts and rear parking sensor are all standard coming across all the variants of Quids, making it one of the most unbeatable variant and the model in its segment. As long as the price, regarding the price, this is costing you 4,37,800 rupees ex-showroom price, which is one of the most affordable 5-seater vehicle in this segment, along with all those features in this price. So with all this, I would like to request everyone to please come into our dealer and have a test drive and check out upon our new upgraded version of dual tone, and whatever regarding the informations and all will be provided to you, and also you can do a test drive of the vehicle. Thank you so much.